Miller Electric Company is helping the Jacksonville Jaguars further develop our city's team with a brand new Sports Performance Center. This training hub will be known as the Miller Electric Center. Throughout this video series, we've been visiting the job site to interview employees and see how things have changed. We're headed back once again to check out recent developments and learn about some of the different systems in place, such as lighting and AV. Let's take a look behind the scenes.
Hi, I'm Carl Ritter and I'm the Senior Audio-Video Field Engineer for Miller Electric. Things have changed dramatically. I'm thinking back and I'm looking back on pictures of the project, even just a month ago. Before you were able to walk straight into a room without having to worry about any obstacles like drywall. But now, finished painting is starting in some areas, and we're right on the cusp of getting devicing putting in everywhere. The AC is on in some parts of the building, not fully, but that's a key step in getting the gear actually installed. This is sensitive electronics. We can't just have it in the humidity. So as the AC is being turned on, that's really the go sign for getting everything else up and running. There is a whole warehouse full of gear. We have close to 1,000 large AV devices labeled, ready to go by room. So when it comes time for install, we're putting it on a truck, we're getting it here, we're getting into the room, and we're getting it installed. We've got scoreboards that are up now, speakers on the grandstands going up, wire being pulled everywhere by our cabling team. All of the rooms have wiring bundled by room that goes back. Each individual wire is labeled specifically for that room, so that way when we go to land it on the rack, we know exactly where it goes. Overall, the coordination effort between all the different divisions here at Miller, it's been a pleasure to work with all these guys out here, and everybody's always looking out for each other and making sure that even if it's not necessarily part of their scope, they're aware of it, because at the end of the day, we're all one team.
I'm Rod Thomas. I'm a Senior Project Manager in the Integrated Solutions Division here at Miller Electric. AV would be the systems that you would hear and see if you were actually on site at the Miller Electric Center. Video production would be the systems that you would see if you were watching on TV, ESPN style. The coaching video system, which we are not directly leading but we're supporting, would be for the Jaguars to use for their own player analytics. The broadcast cabling and scoreboards are systems that are in place supporting these other systems. These are all separate systems, but they utilize a lot of the same input and output infrastructure like jacks, network connectivity, and obviously power. They interface with some of the building systems. For instance, the audio-visual system interfaces with the building lighting system, wherein you'll go up the touch panel and you can control not only the sources, the music, the audio in the room or area, but you can dim or fade the lights. You can control shades, things like that. So there's a lot of overlap in a lot of smaller and larger areas.
So to start on a project like this, from looking at the conceptuals all the way to where we're at right now, obviously there's an immense amount of pride that goes in with that. Our name is on the building out here, and that means a lot to me, and I know it means a lot to everybody that works here.
Everything's coming together as we work to get the Miller Electric Center ready in time for the 2023 NFL season. Follow us on social media so you can stay in the loop with the center's progress. We'll be back soon to document the exciting home stretch. Thank you for watching.